Hi, today I'd like to show you 11 sites hiring to get paid to read emails to make $100 online fast. Yes, this is the how to make $100 online fast series videos. So I'm going to show you 11 sites that is easy way, and you can just read and perform the actions, read emails and perform that actions to make money online daily. So this is really awesome. If you want to need to some pocket money, this is not going to make you rich but make you $100 really fast. With this method is very easy. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you the first website that you already know. It is called swagbucks.com. yes, this is a service site, but surely if you just join there, they will get you some offers that is mailed to you. This is not available on the site. So some offers they have on sites, but some offers they have on mail. So that is why I picked it up as a get paid to read email section, so that you can make money on emails, reading emails as well. So they will give you some emails. You just go there, there are some videos, there are some offers, there are some sites to visit, and you just get points for that. That is SB points, Swagbucks. So that one Swagbucks is meant for 1 cent. So this is really awesome. You can make $5 when you get 500 points. That's it. So the second website that I have to show is called FusionCash.net. yes, this is also a service site, but obviously as like Swagbucks, it will going to give you some special offers on your emails. When you sign up there, you can perform surveys, but when you get some offer emails that are unique to those to you only, and you can just go and read that email and perform that actions, and you will make money with that. So the third website is also a survey website, which is InboxDollars.com. you just go there and you just register there, and some offers they will going to send you to your emails, and after you open your emails, you will get something like watching some videos or taking some simple questions and answer, and some cashback offers as well that you can perform to make money on that email reading job. So these are 3 sites that are related to survey, and but they will send you some special offers to your email as well. That is really going to make you a good amount of money. The number 4th position is Cash4Offers.com. is a really also a sign up and service sites, and you can just go there, sign up, and you will get $5 as a bonus. But you can see that they have paid to read emails. So every day they will send you some emails to your emails, and you can read those, and you will make some amounts there. But the important thing is you just always use a secondary email for this type of jobs, because you will get lots of emails, hundreds and thousands of emails daily, so that your regular email will be like very difficult for you to use. So just separate your regular email from this type of jobs. You just use a secondary email for this type of jobs. So this is the 4th website that you can just go there. You can also play games and take part in surveys, but reading emails also there are features, and you can go there and read emails and earn money online. So the number 5th is Cashgrad.com. is also a service site. You can just go over there and sign up, and they will send you time to time some special email with some really good offers and easy to fill up offers, that you can just go there, read those emails, and do that offers, and you will get a handsome amount of money at the end of the month, or if you just reach the threshold amount. So that's number 6 positions. The site is called paid to read email.com. is a really trusted and legit website that you can use. They just simply go there, sign up there, and you can just starting paid to read emails. They will send you some really good amount of emails daily that you can just read it out, and you will get paid for that. So the number 7th positions is called InboxCash.io. this is the address. InboxCash.io is a get paid to read emails website, and this is a trusted website. You can just go there, register, and upload and start working with them, and you can see lots of payment proofs out that they have really paying their customers daily. So without any worries, you can just go there and work with and just get paid to read emails. So the number 8 positions is called InboxSpace.com. This is also a get paid to read emails, so complete paid offers and market research for cash. And you can see that this is obviously they have a reading email options as well, so earn additional income by reading emails. And this is the thing, per email you can just up to $25 you can get paid from that. And this is the catch here, you just registered there and getting paid by reading emails on there. And the number 9th positions, the site that I want to show is called uniquerewards.com. is a really also a very trusted and old site that is going to pay you for reading emails as well. So simply go there, fill in the simple registration form and sign up, and after that you can do many tasks. You can just visit some website and shop online, get some discount cashback. Also they have some pay to read email options, so they will send you time to time many emails that you just read, and you will get some points as a cash, and you can just use that cash as a reward and take it to your payment processor. So simply this is the 9th website. The 10th position is MyPoints.com. is a really good website. It's also related to service sites, but if you just join that, you will get $10 as a welcome bonus, and you will earn point when you shop. When you get shopping, you will get cashbacks, and also they will send you some offer emails that to you, and that emails you just complete those offers, special offers, and you will make more money on mypoints.com. But and last but not least, the 11th site is called points2shop.com. They have some simple interface like this. You just go over to points2shop.com and sign up, just clicking in this button and fill this simple form, and you are good to go to register there. And they will send you some emails every day, some offer emails that you just perform, that you just read and perform daily. It's just like shopping, some shopping offers. You do shop every day, so reading emails and all complete those shopping actions daily, and you will get some points, and you can convert that points into money really good way in monthly basis. So these are the all sites that you can just work with, and you can make a really good amount of money to get paid to read emails. This is the way it is. These are all legit sites, so I have picked it up, and as I emphasize on, I am researched it so that you just don't get scammed. These are all legit trusted paying site that you can work without worries about it. So these are the sites you can use to get paid to read emails, and you can, if you haven't make any money yet, you can just make $100 online really fast in this way. So this is the method. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with Money Horn. All the videos are uploaded daily, so there are lots of video I have uploaded daily. No matter what, you choose anyone if you like, and you can just take actions on those strategies, and all those working strategies, these are you can use to make a very good amount of money every month. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.